my cutie pies. I know you all are fit, fine and happy and healthy also. Yes, I know. So children, today something very interesting, that is ordinal number. What is this? Ordinal number. Yes. What is ordinal numbers? Are? What is ordinal number? The number when we count, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No? We take it like this way: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So let's check out this story to get it better.
So, children, one day in the big dark forest, some animals near the pond were getting bored. So, that is why they decided to do a race. And in that race, they made the big lion the referee. And the race was between the cow, the fox, the camel, the sheep, and the elephant. The race started from the pond and ended at the big bush. Children, see, the race is going to start. Look at the fishes. They have come out of the pond to see the races. Look at the elephant. While he's walking, the land is shaking. And look at the fox. How fast is she running? Oh my God! But the camel is also running very fast. Oh no! The camel left the fox behind. And look at the cow. She has got tired and is unable to run. And look at the sheep. How cutely is she running? How sweetly is she running? And look, the fox is about to reach the finishing line. And yes, the fox came on the first position and is very happy. And the sheep is very fast and very good. The sheep has got the second position. And then the camel. But he is running. Oh my God, but he is unable to run. Very good. It has reached up to the finishing line and has got third position. The cow is laughing and running because she heard a joke said by the lion. And yes, she reaches up to the finishing line and she is also very happy. And the elephant got a bunch of bananas on the banana trees. He has eaten it and now he is very tired and feeling sleepy. And at last, he hardly reaches the finishing line. And the race is over. And now the referee lion will tell that who stands on which position. On the first position is the fox. On the second position is the sheep. On the third position is the camel. On the fourth position is the cow. And the elephant is standing on the fifth position. And children, did you saw something? Number 1 stands for first. Number 2 stands for second. Number 3 stands for third. Number 4 stands for fourth. And number 5 stands for fifth. And on the first position is the fox. Because of that, she is getting a big golden trophy. Did you saw the trophy? How beautiful is that? Do you want one like this? Okay.
So now children, you know what is ordinal number? 1 to 5. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay? Got it. Very good. You learn now. Bye-bye.